Most people think growth is a mindset issue. They think if they just believe harder, think positive, or push themselves, their life will change. But here's the truth most personal development never teaches you. Your nervous system decides how much success, visibility, money, and responsibility you can actually hold. If your nervous system isn't regulated for growth, your mind will sabotage anything that exceeds what feels familiar. This is why people get close to breakthroughs and then suddenly procrastinate, quit, self doubt, or create chaos. It's not because they're lazy or broken, it's because their nervous system is protecting them from what it perceives as unsafe expansion. Your nervous system's job is not to make you successful. Its job is to keep you alive. And it does that by maintaining familiarity, not happiness. Familiar stress feels safer than unfamiliar peace. Familiar struggle feels safer than unfamiliar success. If you grew up in environments where pressure, instability, or emotional tension were normal, your nervous system learned that intensity equals safety. So when things finally calm down or when opportunity appears, your system can interpret that calm or expansion as danger. That's when self-sabotage shows up. Reprogramming your nervous system means teaching your body that growth is safe. It means expanding your capacity to hold calm, clarity, money, responsibility, and momentum without snapping back to old patterns. This is why two people can have the same opportunity and only one sustains it. One has a regulated nervous system for growth, the other doesn't yet. Your nervous system responds faster than thought. It reacts before logic. That tightness in your chest, that urge to avoid, that sudden exhaustion, that overthinking spiral, those are nervous system responses, not character flaws. And until you work with the body, mindset work will only go so far. Here's something powerful to understand. Every identity has a nervous system state attached to it. The old you had a baseline. How much stress felt normal, how much rest felt allowed, how much success felt tolerable. When you try to step into a new identity without upgrading the nervous system capacity to match it, your system pulls you back. That's the identity loop you've been learning about. Thoughts, emotions, actions, results, all regulated by what your nervous system believes is safe. So today, the goal is not forcing yourself forward. The goal is expanding your internal capacity so growth no longer feels threatening. This is where real confidence comes from, not hype, but regulation. A calm nervous system creates clear thinking. Clear thinking creates aligned action. Aligned action creates sustainable results. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to push through nervous system resistance. That only teaches the body that growth equals overwhelm. Instead, we teach the system through repetition, safety, and gradual expansion that new levels are survivable, even enjoyable. Your body learns through experience, not explanation. That's why slowing down at the right moments actually accelerates growth. When you pause, breathe, ground, and stay present during moments that used to trigger anxiety or avoidance, you're rewiring safety at a biological level. You're telling your nervous system, we can be here. We can handle this. This is also why consistency beats intensity. Small repeated exposures to growth create trust inside the body. Big spikes followed by crashes reinforce instability. A regulated nervous system prefers steady expansion, not emotional whiplash. Another key shift is understanding that rest is not laziness. Rest is integration. Growth requires integration. If you never allow your nervous system to integrate wins, progress, or calm, it never updates its baseline. You stay stuck chasing the next achievement without ever feeling settled inside it. That's not success. That's survival dressed up as ambition. Today, I want you to stop asking, how do I push myself more? And start asking, how do I support my nervous system to grow safely? That question alone changes everything. Because when your body feels safe, your mind becomes powerful. When your system is regulated, fear loses its grip. When your baseline shifts, your future expands. This work is subtle, but it's foundational. You are not broken. Your nervous system has simply been trained by past environments, and anything learned can be relearned. Growth doesn't require force. It requires safety, repetition, and trust. That's what you're building now.